Happy 4th of July, everybody. And boy, do we have some fireworks for you on the cabinet today. And my cameraman's back.
Hi.
Hi, cameraman. And we have some progress. So go ahead and point there. So you can see we've got another shelf up. So here is what has transpired so far. So we already saw in the other video that I finally hung this. Yay, and it works great, and I have some stuff in it. And then I built the second shelf, and I built this out of scrap wood that we had in the garage. There's actually 3 boards that are glued together and stapled. And this is, real board, not particle board. And when I had it up, I noticed how much stronger it was than the top shelf. And I started to get nervous. So I was laying in bed and I was thinking, oh my gosh, what happens if a year from now that board starts to bow on the top shelf, and that's going to be a real pain to fix. So I supported it with 2 studs, and I'm actually going to slide in. I'm going to build 2 kind of drawers, sort of, but I'm going to put them on casters so that I can actually pull them all the way out and look through them. So they'll fit right in there. And those are about 16¼ width each. And the depth on these is, I think it's either 14 or 15 inches. Okay, and that's, we got all of that up and painted. And then of course we have brackets on this shelf here. Yep. And sorry, I'm just messing with that paint. Okay, so the next step in our build is going to be, well, I'm actually going to install some pull down and out shelves here. But I'm gonna keep a 12-inch clearance in between the top of the radiator and where the bottom of our cabinet is going to be. So I'm going to put in a slide in shelf, and I'm gonna try and bow the sides so it looks a little decorative. It has the lower rail on the front, so we'll just be able to pull that out. And then once I get the baskets built and then the slide out shelf built, then we're gonna move on to the doors, which I'm gonna do shaker style doors. And I think, I'm not really they're gonna be inset doors, but I haven't quite figured out all of it yet. So that's where we are. Pretty proud of it so far. Looks really good, feels really sturdy. And yeah,